Going into a niche area would be very dangerous.
In India, I did my BTech in mechanical, and in Canada, I did my postgraduate diploma in mechatronics. Seeing everything is coming up, I thought of moving into IT, whether in AI or cybersecurity.
Both are like niche areas. Like AI is a niche and cybersecurity is a niche. So for someone coming from non-IT background like mechanical, going
Okay.
into a niche area would be very dangerous.
Yeah.
But if you're capable enough to do it, you can do it. But in general, it would be very overwhelming for someone going into a very niche area. So you have to go into something easy to manage, kind of an IT role, probably like data engineering or cloud engineering or even IT analyst kind of roles. These roles will help you to step into the IT industry. When once you gain couple of years of experience, then you can move into either cybersecurity or AI.
Okay. What about the job prospects like in Canada?
All these are good in Canada.